My name's Alistair Carstairs. I'm the Business Development Manager here at OSSO, covering a lot of the oil and gas activities. So we're Platinum sponsors, proud to be Platinum sponsors for Topsides2022, which has been a great event so far. We're here to engage with the operators and engage with the supply chain, have a look at some of our technologies and see how we can support a lot of the transition to net zero, and also look at how we can support a lot of the challenges that are ongoing in the industry as well, from a service and maintenance perspective, for a lot of the older aging assets, but also from a waste management perspective, and looking at how we can minimise waste at source and ensure that the reduced carbon footprint of skipping and shipping is reduced as much as possible by discharging our waste at source. Since we rebranded to OSSO at the beginning of last year, there's been a lot of investment into the company, so we've been investing quite a lot. One of the big things at our new office in Dice is the new service centre for plate heat exchangers. So you're finding that a lot of these older assets have a lot of aged equipment, and we're providing a full sort of life cycle, a local supply chain life cycle for the offshore assets. So we're bringing a lot of heat exchangers in, doing a lot of the chemical cleaning, we're doing a lot of NDT inspection, regasketing of equipment, pressure testing, etc. So we're gathering a lot of interest, from the industry offshore, which is good, but it's also allowed us to broaden our horizons into some new industries as well, particularly the sort of food and beverage side, building on our experience within the water treatment industry as well. So we're continuing to build and develop the water treatment systems for offshore waste management. But again, we've broadened our horizons within that as well, and we're doing a lot of similar water treatment systems for the likes of the construction industry. Again, looking at it for food and beverage and some of the refineries and terminals that are being decommissioned at the moment as well. I think the presentations have been really interesting. I mean, first and foremost, it's been really well attended, which has been good, and that's from an attendee perspective, but also, from an exhibitor side, there's some really interesting technologies here. The themes have all been about, renewables, carbon capture, electrification and stuff within the industry, which are all key talking points, and you can see how the industry as a whole is transitioning into towards those sort of net zero goals. But I think there's a general theme within the supply chain and with the operators that next year is going to be a really good year, and we also are seeing that ourselves, with a lot of the the tenders and proposals that are going out. So it's an exciting time to be part of the industry.